Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's on the Micro B. Cool little buggy. Cool buggy. Now, I like associated stuff, most of everything, just for the vintage stuff mostly. I race at a 6.4, and I have had Losi buggies too. I've got all the rollers, the mini Bs, I've had the micro, what do they call it back in the day? The micro steam truck. I don't remember what it was. I've had all of this, the small stuff through the years and the regular Losi minis. So, but man, these micro Bs are pretty fun. I see a lot of guys like, oh, they buy them and the fun wears off, and then they sell them or something, or they're trying to make a few bucks. I don't know, but you know, it's just a great driving little stock buggy for right out of the box, you know. And I got that one for my birthday, and I got this one for my son for Christmas. So we got two, and we're going to make a nice roll-up track for the garage, you know, during off seasons and time where we just want to drive in the house. You can make a big carpet rug race track, roll it up, and hang it on a shelf or something. So that's what we're going to do. But anyways, I love it. It's cool. You know, there's absolutely no mods like you do get. If you're driving in the house and carpet, if you have carpet, you get tons of shit in your hubs when your bearings, like you do on any small cars. So, but my thought is just they're so scale, you know. Obviously they're legit. I have the little RC10. What do you call it? Hold on, I want to grab the box. I have this thing, the NRC 24, NRC projects, and I have the this is the carbon fiber chassis it comes with, and then I got the aluminum chassis upgrade, which is kind of cool. You know, so that is pretty comparable to this thing in size. You can see I haven't even built this thing yet, and I've had this for quite a few years now. And I've got all the sensor brushless motors, the ESCs, and all that stuff. I've never built it yet. That's coming soon eventually. So other than that, there's really no competition with these Micro Bs. And they drive, for scale-wise, they're pretty torquey. They're pretty quick right out of the box. So these are fun. But I can't wait to upgrade the brushless and the receiver and use my own radio, my rccar or something like that, because it feels good now. I can't imagine how more precise driving it's going to have. I just wish Associated came out with a micro buggy with this caliber, not those cheap ones, you know, that they've done. The only thing that looked good on them was the bodies, where these are full, you know, set up like miniature scale down buggies. That's what Associated needs to do. I don't even care if they're made in China. Who cares? But anyways, I think these are fun. They look cool. They're fun, and good winter fun time if you're limited to outside driving because of the weather. So, but other than that, no complaints. They were 99 bucks at Hobbytown, and a lot of people said they were out of stock everywhere, but I did find online they were starting to be out of stock before Christmas. I had mine in November, so there was no issue with stock. But closer to Christmas, they said this one was getting out of stock. Not this one. When I bought this one for my son for Christmas, that people were talking about they were out of stock. But I found it at Hobbytown, no problem. And yeah, he loves it. He was driving it yesterday for the first time, and it handles so good. It's just so cool. And the colors, it's nice. We got one of each because I didn't want to get two of the same color. But anyways, those are the Micro Bs. We love them. You guys have seen tons of videos on them. This is just my thoughts on it, and I think they're cool. I can't wait to start upgrading it. They got towers. They got everything on them. You know, I'll probably make some mini chassis protectors for it, and some stands and stuff like that. So just cool stuff. So, but anyways, that's my take on this. The Micro B, guys, fun little car for that price. You know, if you're not having fun with it, you just bought it to sit on a shelf. That's no fun. So, anyways, like, subscribe, that notification, guys. We'll see you in the next one.